a year from now. So that's how I teach. So ngikhulumeli la, ngikhulumela le. Nangicela ningizwe ke bazalwane because I'm very intentional. You will have to be genuine kulento yokukhonza uNkulunkulu. Ukuze ungazosihlupha. Please decide to be genuine. Ungafihli i-lifestyle yokungcola ngoNkulunkulu. Uzothukisa abantu, uzothukisa uNkulunkulu ngabantu. Uzothukisa ivangeli, uzothukisa thina abafundisi bakho, uzothukisa ibandla okhonza kulo. Because abantu mababheka i-lifestyle yakho emsebenzini, kubusiness lakho ezweni, they will have to ask themselves a question, what manner of preaching is taught in your church if i-lifestyle yakho is this? Kumele ukuthi uyincenge inhliziyo yakho, uncenge noNkulunkulu ukuthi akusize ukuthi ungasebenzisi ivangeli as a shield to live a life of lies. Kumele ukuthi uNkulunkulu akusize and umncenge, and if there's a way, switch off your phone and go lie down on your belly and beg God. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu inhliziyo yami nokungcola, you need to help me be cleansed, nhlanze. Because I know I cannot lie to anyone, but you know me. Angikho right kulento. You need God to help you. You need God to help you. Because lento yokusindiswa must be genuine. Lento yokusindiswa must come from the heart. Lento yokuthanda uNkulunkulu must be really something that resonates from your spirit. And God must help you so that we don't live with hypocrites among us. God must help you, and God must help every one of us. I cried 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago when I was teaching on disobedience. Ukuthi kuba ngathi akusana mehluko between abazalwane nabantu bezwe. There's nothing that draws abantu bezwe to us because sesiyafanana. Ngama afternoon after church sonke siyakuchilla siphuza ama whiskey. Sonke siya ematavern, sonke siya emaklabhini. If kunama gospel show sonke sihlezi kuma camps, sonke siphuza utshwala because there is no difference between light and darkness. Sonke sesiyafanana, but we are all saying the Holy Spirit is in us. God must help us. God must help us. God must help us.